We discuss the topic functions. Let x and y be any two sets. The relation f from x to y is a function if every element in x there is a unique image in y such that ordered pair xy element in f. That is, f from x to y is a function every element in x has a unique image in y. Also, y equal to f of x. We define y as y equal to f of x. If ordered pair xy element in the function f, then y is equal to f of x. Also, the y is called the value of the function at x. And x is the domain set, y is the codomain set. Domain set is represented as df. Okay. And the image set, it is called the range of f. Image set is called the range of f. That is, f of x equals set of all y element in y such that y is equal to f of x is called the range of f. Okay, if two functions f from x to y and the g from x to y are said to be equal if f of x equal to g of x for all x element in x, and we write f is equal to g. Now we watch some examples. In first example, let x is equal to set a, b, c and y equals set 0, 1. The following functions can be defined as f1 equals set ordered pair a0, ordered pair b1, ordered pair c0 is a function because by the definition of function from x to y, every element in A has a unique image. Look at this function. Here A has an image 0, B has an image 1, C has an image 0. Here A has a unique image, B has a unique image, and C has also a unique image. So this relation is a function and A maps to 0. So f1 of A equal to 0 and B maps to 1. So f1 of B equal to 1 and C maps to 0. So f1 of C equal to 0. Okay, now we consider another function from x to y as f2 equals set ordered pair a0, a1, b0 and c1. This is not a function. This relation is not a function. Why? A has two images. Here A maps to 0 and A maps to 1. So A has two images, more than one image, not a unique image. So this is not a function. Now consider another relation defined as f3 equals set ordered pair a0, b1. This is also not a function because by the definition of function, every element in the codomain has an image. Here C in this domain set, but in this relation C is not mapped to any number. So C is not here. Therefore, this is not a function. Now we consider F4. F4 equals set ordered pair A0, B0 and C0. Is it a function? Yes, it's definitely a function because every element in the domain has an image and it maps to a unique image. So it is a function. And the domain set of F4 is set A, B, C. And the range set is its image set. Range set means image set. Its images are only 0. So the range set of F4 is set 0. Okay. Now we consider another example. Let R be the set of all real numbers and f of x equals x square for every x equal to R represents the function f equals set ordered pair x square such that x element in R. Here f is a function defined in the set of all real numbers and f of x equal to x square. If we input the value 1, we get the answer as 1. If we input the value minus 1, it is again 1. So if we input negative values, we get an output or image set as positive. So we can input every real number to it, every real number to the function, that is input set or the domain set. So the domain set is entire R. We can input every real number to this function, but we get, or the image set is always positive real numbers. So range set of f is R plus set of all positive real numbers. Okay. Consider another example. F from n to n be a function such that f of j equal to 1 if j is an odd number and equal to 0 if j is an even number. That we input all the natural numbers. So the domain set of f is set of all natural numbers and we get the output as 1 and 0. So the image set is, image set means j maps to 1 if j is odd, that is 1, 3, 5 etc. maps to 1 and 2, 4, 6, 8 maps to 0. So range of f is set as 0, 1. Okay, here range set not equal to codomain set. Next example, let f from n to n be a function such that f of j is congruent to j modulo 3. That is, f of j is the remainder obtained when j is divided by 3. When divided by 3, a number divided by 3, we get the remainders as 0, 1, 2. So the range set of this function is 0, 1, 2 and the domain set is set of all natural numbers. Then we discuss about types of functions. First is an onto function. Onto f from x to y is a function, then it is an onto function, then its codomain set equal to its image set, that is range of that function is equal to codomain set. Range of that function equal to codomain set means every element in the codomain has a pre-image. That is, for any y element in y, there exists x in x such that f of x equal to y. Next type of function is 1-1 function. A function f from x to y is called 1-to-1 if distinct elements of x are mapped into distinct elements of y. That is, if x1 and x2 are not equal in the domain set, then that x1 maps to f of x1 and x2 maps to f of x2. The values f of x1 and f of x2 are distinct. That means distinct elements maps to distinct images or equal images from equal values. Okay. Also, f from x to y is 1-1 and onto, then that function is a 1-1 onto function or a bijective function. Okay. Now, an example, f from r to r such that f of x equals 3x plus 2 is 1-1 and onto. F of x equals 3x plus 2. F of x, for proving 1-1, let f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 is, f of x is 3x plus 2, so f of x1 is 3x1 plus 2. So 3x1 plus 2 equals 3x2 plus 2. That implies, we cancel 2, 2 and 3, 3, we get x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, this function is 1-1. Also, we want to prove that this function is onto. By the definition of onto, if every element in the codomain set has a pre-image, then that function is onto. Let y equal to 3x plus 2. That is, an element in this codomain is 3x plus 2. Then we get x as y minus 2 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 is defined for all real numbers. So for every y, for every real number y, we get a pre-image x. X is also a real number. So definitely every element in the codomain has an image. Therefore, this function is onto. Next we start another example. F from n to set 0, 1 says that f of j equal to 1 if j is odd and equal to 0 if j is even. Check whether this function is 1, 1 or onto. Okay. If we input any of the natural numbers, we get output as C1 and 0. So, the image set of f or range set of f is set 0, 1. That is equal to the codomain set of the function. Here this is the codomain set and that codomain set is equal to the range set of f. Therefore, the function f is onto. Check it is 1, 2. Check it is 1, 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 and f of 3 equal to 1 because 1 is an odd number, therefore 1 maps to 1. Also 3 is an odd number, 3 maps to 1. So the 1 and 3 are distinct elements but it has same image. By the definition of 1, 1 function, distinct element has distinct images. A function is 1, 1 only when distinct elements has distinct images. But here we get for distinct elements same image. So this function is not 1, 1. Okay. Next consider another example. F from R to R, f of x equal to modulus x. If we input a value, we get the positive value of the number. That is the function modulus. F of 1 equals modulus 1. Modulus 1 is 1. F of minus 1 is modulus minus 1. Also modulus minus 1 is 1. 1 and minus 1 are distinct elements but it maps to a same image. Same image 1. Here also one distinct elements maps to same image, therefore it is not 1, 1. Also modulus function gives output as positive values. So only the positive real numbers are in the range set of the function. So range of this function is R plus set of all positive real numbers. But here the codomain set is set of all real numbers. So range of f not equal to codomain set. Therefore this function is not onto. Now we explain a theorem on functions. Let x and y are two finite sets with the same number of elements and a function f from x to y is 1 to 1 if and only if it is onto. That is, the theorem states that f from x to y is a function and if x has n elements, then y has also n elements. And if the function is 1, 1, then the function is definitely onto. That is, f is a function from a set of n elements to a set of n elements and the function is 1, 1, then it is definitely onto. Also in vice versa, this function is onto, then it is definitely 1, 1. Okay, how can we prove this theorem? Let x is equal to x1, x2, etc. xn and y is equal to y1, y2, etc. yn. If f is a 1, 1 function, we know that by the definition of 1, 1 function, if f is 1, 1, distinct elements have distinct images. We know that x has n elements. X has n elements. The n elements are distinct. Then that distinct elements maps to distinct images. So the elements in y are distinct. That is f of x1, f of x2, etc. f of xn are n distinct elements of y. Okay. These distinct elements of y forms the codomain set because the codomain set has n elements. So definitely this function is onto. Okay. So f is onto when it is 1, 1. Okay.